Before you spend another minute wondering if I can actually make you money, let me show you what happened when I tried it for myself. I tested 5 beginner-friendly AI side hustles. No experience, no filming, no paid ads. Just pure AI tools doing the heavy lifting. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 things. Which AI side hustles made money the fastest, which ones completely flopped, and exactly how much I earned by the end. Let's get right into the results. The first side hustle I tested was AI copywriting. I posted a Fiverr gig offering quick copy written with ChatGPT. Within 3 days, I got my first sale for $20, and then 4 more right behind it. By the end, I'd earned a clean $100. Work time per order, less than 10 minutes. Honestly, this was the fastest money out of all 5 tests. The next side hustle was short-form video scripts for TikTok and Instagram Reels. These are in huge demand because businesses need constant content. I used ChatGPT to write the hook, the 3 value points, and a simple call to action. 3 people ordered that week, and I earned $75 total. If you can write energetic scripts with strong hooks, this is easy money. After that, I tested AI thumbnails using Midjourney images combined with Canva layouts. I offered AI-assisted thumbnails for YouTubers and ended up selling 2 of them. That brought in $50. Each thumbnail took me about 15 minutes to produce. This one requires a little creativity, but it definitely works. Next came AI digital products, templates for Etsy and Gumroad. I uploaded social media packs, Notion pages, and a couple of business worksheets. This one started slow, with 0 sales in the first week. But in week 2, 2 people bought my $9 templates, totaling $18. So while it's not fast money, it is one of the strongest passive income lanes if you stay consistent. The last test was AI automation. I built a simple email formatting workflow using ChatGPT and Zapier for a small business owner. It took 15 minutes to set up, and they paid me $30. This is the easiest money on the list if you know even the basics of automation, and the demand for this is only going up. So after testing all 5 AI side hustles, here are the final numbers. $255 earned in 7 days. No ads, no filming, no prior experience, just AI tools doing the heavy lifting so I could deliver fast. And here's what I learned. Simple gigs beat complicated gigs. The faster the delivery, the faster the sales. And honestly, you only need one workflow that clicks to reach $1,000 a month. If you want to try these exact workflows yourself, I put all 5 of them inside my free AI Money Starter Kit. The link is right below this video. Download it, open it up, and follow the steps. And if you want more honest AI money experiments, hit subscribe. I post daily. This is Purposefully AI, simple systems, real income.